Hello. So today I will send some KAVA to Brian using his star name. Here I am on my wallet. This is a Cosmos Station wallet, and I just need to click here and send. You'll see on the bottom of the page that says, on my screen actually, Starname services supported. And it means that if Brian has his star name linked to the address, his KAVA address, I'll be able to use it in this transaction. So star name is a decentralized and personalized username, and you can use it as an email address to receive payments easily. So basically, you can use it in any, to transfer any crypto asset on any chain, because you link and assign this surname to the addresses you have. You can also use them in wallet partners like Cosmos Station. And this is the Cosmos Station wallet, so this is I'm using now. So in the end, with Starname handling multiple addresses, it's very easy because you don't need to display the long list. You just need to link these addresses to the name, and then you just display your star name. And this is really easy and useful for freelancers and business that get paid in crypto, and also for example, NGOs and non-profits that receive crypto donations. So now I just need to type in Brian's star name. So this is what I'm going to do. It's a star Brian. And when I click next, you'll see there is this pop-up that says that star Brian matches this KAVA addresses. So click on continue. Here I'll send him 02 KAVA, and then I'm gonna click next. This is if I want to insert a memo. I'll just skip this. I click next. This is the transaction fee. I'll just leave it minimal and next. And this is the transaction recap. So I'm gonna send 02 KAVA to this address, which is Brian's. I didn't need to type in or paste it. I just type in Brian. And I confirm it. This is the time I have to put my PIN. And this is it. Success. Transaction done. I can dismiss here, and you'll see it'll be 02 down on my balance.